Solutions. Clean world energy is bringing solutions. Waste to energy, 2 problems. 1 solution. We're quite familiar with the waste problem. It's everywhere, in every culture. The United States, Canada, Japan, the Philippines, China. It doesn't matter where you go. The waters are polluted, the shores are polluted. Some places so much worse than others. What is the current way of getting waste out of our sight? Well, some families just bag it and send it to the landfill. Others put it in a burn barrel. And in some cultures, they just burn it in the backyard or at the landfill, billowing the smoke and the pollution into the air. It's unsightly, it's toxic, it's destructive of our environment. No matter how you burn, it is damaging. And it is a major, major problem. We're describing incineration. Incineration is not the solution to get rid of the waste. Not at all. Is there something better? Yes, there is. Our solution. Our working solution. In simple, understandable terms. First, 3 definitions. Carbonaceous materials, gasification process, syngas. First, carbonaceous materials, such as coal, biomass, or municipal solid waste, garbage or waste. Our next definition, gasification process, and then syngas. Gasification process. Gasification is a process that converts carbonaceous materials into carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Gasification is a process that converts waste into carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Notice the key word, waste. That brings us to syngas. The resulting gas mixture from the gasification process is called synthesis gas or syngas. I call it synthetic gas. Syngas equals the gas extracted through gasification of waste. So there you have your 3 definitions. Carbonaceous material, waste. Gasification process, which converts the waste to syngas. And syngas is the gas extracted through gasification of waste. How does it work? The process of gasification is a very efficient method of extracting energy from many different types of organic materials. A simple explanation, the carbonaceous material, waste material, is placed inside a special chamber and is converted into carbon monoxide and hydrogen by reacting the raw material at high temperatures with a controlled amount of oxygen. The waste inside a chamber is converted into carbon monoxide and hydrogen by reacting the raw material at high temperatures with a controlled amount of oxygen. So, we have a waste in a chamber. It's converted to carbon monoxide and hydrogen by reacting the waste at high temperatures with a controlled amount of oxygen. The result is synthesis gas or syngas. Syngas is itself a fuel. Waste is converted to synthetic fuel under controlled conditions. What does this give us? It gives us one solution for two problems. Gasification is a very efficient method of extracting energy. Gasification is also a clean waste disposal technique. Why not just burn the coal, biomass, or municipal solid waste, carbonaceous materials? Why not just burn the waste? The advantage of gasification is that using the syngas is more efficient than direct combustion of the original fuel. Using the syngas is more efficient than direct combustion of the original fuel. So, using the syngas is more efficient than burning coal. It is more of the energy it contained in the fuel is extracted using the gasification process. Using the gasification process to convert coal to syngas produces more energy than simply burning the coal, and it is better for our world. Gasification of fossil fuels is currently widely used on industrial scales to generate electricity. Gasification of coal, oil, and other fossil fuels works well. However, because of the tension between supply and demand for fossil fuel, cost is a factor, and sometimes fossil fuels are in short supply at an affordable price. This brings us to the advantage, and it is a major advantage. Clean World Energy brings to you this advantage. Our patented gasification process can use almost any type of organic material as the raw material for gasification, such as wood, biomass, or even plastic waste. Really? Yes. Tires, sewage sludge, computer trash, medical waste, bio waste, construction waste, coal, and municipal and industrial. All waste. Gasification is an important technology for renewable energy. Of particular importance is the fact that biomass gasification is carbon neutral. This is important. A continual supply of waste is being made every day, and either we use it to make energy or we use it to pollute. This brings us to our next topic. How do our waste-to-energy plants impact greenhouse gases? If you are interested, then please view the next video, Greenhouse Emissions. Clean World Energy. Powering life while saving our neighborhoods.